What's up, guys? I'm doing an unboxing on befall UW145EWD. So let's open it up. I'm in a rush right now because I kind of want to watch the new episode of Horror. If you guys haven't watched that show, watch it. It's a great show. Something just fell. I think it was just the tool. Okay, so here's the launcher. It's blue, black, nothing too interesting. Instructions and stickers. Okay, let's get into the actual Beyblade now. Zoom out. Oh, the metal wheel's hot. So this is Killer or Evil, whatever you want to call it. Pretty cool metal wheel. I like it. It looks like it'd be good for both defense and attack. Befall, Beowulf, whatever you want to call it. I call it befall. It's pretty cool. Upper wing, which is really, really cool. You can actually take it out, flip it, and, do a bunch of stuff with this thing. This thing is awesome. So let's see, this, I think, is defense, and then if you turn it around, you get attack. I'm going to leave it in attack. And then this is cool. This is my first one. Eternal Sharp. Really, really cool. It's like almost a WD. And then in the middle, it's just got like a sharp. So when you launch it, it's almost like a 4D Beyblade. Since it hits the ground, the Eternal Sharp goes up. And then when it starts slowing down, it just kind of comes out. So it's really cool. Okay. I'm gonna set this bay up. Wait, where's the face bolt? Why do I always do that? Okay, so let's go and set this Beyblade up. If I can find out how to do it. I don't know where the tool is. I'm just going to use Twisted Tempos or this will roll in. Okay, so there it is. An awesome Beyblade, really. You guys are probably going to get some videos, battle videos with it against like Twisted Tempo and stuff. Really cool Beyblade. I think I might have enough time to put some stickers, maybe? I don't know. Stickers shouldn't be too hard. Okay, so I put on one of the stickers. I don't like putting on the face bolt stickers if the face bolt's tattooed. I don't think that really makes any sense. I mean, I think that kind of ruins the face bolt then. But, yeah, whatever. Okay, and there it is. Evil Befall, UW145 Eternal Sharp. Awesome Beyblade, guys. I need to check it out. I want to see some battle videos coming up soon. Later, guys.